there's a company called Dice Toy Labs who started making. Actually, it's an Indian company that got me really excited because they are making good stuff. I saw some of their toys like Yuthubumi, and there another one that's coming also. It's called Loka. He sent me this. Dude, you're awesome. Yes, I have. Thanks, man. Thanks. Dice Labs. And check the packaging, dude. It's all like it has that Indianness to it. So that's the thing. Elon Jong किसी एक जाहिल की औकात नहीं. Nice. It can be a good castle of also. Good backdrop. Also, I didn't mention it earlier, he also sent me this t-shirts. The comic also, Loka. So yeah, about the game. There is a dice. These cards, like playing cards, really good. The art is really nice. Next is the male warriors. Whoa! Really cool. And these are like not just a generic one pose statues. Different postures, different. One guy is like in a vanilla pose, and so another in some another action. Next, female warriors. Superb sculpting. It's gonna be really a fun thing to paint them. So guys, do check them out on their website. I'm gonna send or mention a link. Buy them and please do support them. Dice Labs, Indian Toy Collectors.